Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Unplugged. I'm thrilled to have you with us as we dive into the fascinating world of AI integration with databases, particularly through a tool called Supabase. Now, if you're wondering what Supabase is, think of it as an open-source alternative to Firebase. It's perfect for developers wanting to build applications quickly without the hassle of managing back-end infrastructure. But today, we're focusing on a specific feature that connects your Supabase projects to various AI assistants through what's known as the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. So what exactly is MCP? Well, imagine you could have a virtual assistant that not only understands your commands, but can also connect directly to your database to fetch information, update records, or even perform complex queries, all with just a few lines of code. That's the beauty of MCP. It essentially standardizes how large language models, or LLMs, like Claude or Cursor, communicate with external services like Supabase. Now let's break down how to get started with this exciting integration. The first thing you'll need is Node.js installed on your machine. If you don't have that installed yet, just head over to nodejs.org and grab the latest version. A little pro tip here: running this command in your terminal can confirm if you're good to go. Once you have Node.js set up, the next step is generating a personal access token, or PAT, from your Supabase settings. This token is essentially your secret handshake that allows the MCP server to authenticate with your Supabase account. Make sure to keep it safe because once you copy it, you won't be able to see it again. Let's say you've created your PAT. Now you need to configure your MCP client, like Cursor, to use this server. This involves writing a little JSON configuration. Don't let the tech jargon scare you. It's just a way to tell your MCP client how to connect with Supabase using your newly created token. If you're on Windows, there are a couple of extra steps you need to follow, like using a prefix command to ensure everything works seamlessly. But don't worry, details on that are readily available as well. Now here's where things get really cool. With MCP, you can perform a variety of tasks ranging from project management, like creating new projects or managing existing ones, to database operations, such as listing tables, executing SQL queries, and even applying migrations. This means you can manage your Supabase projects efficiently, all while interacting with an AI that could potentially do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. For those of you who are diving deep into development, there's even branching features in the experimental phase, allowing you to create and maintain development branches for your projects. So if you ever mess something up in your main branch, you can just reset or rebase without losing your hard work. But I want to take a moment here to reflect. Don't you think it's fascinating how AI is evolving and expanding into different areas? It's not just about automation anymore. It's about collaboration, bringing together the power of AI with traditional tools to create smoother workflows and more efficient development processes. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've covered today. We explored how the Model Context Protocol integrates large language models with Supabase, enabling seamless communication and functionality across your development projects. We also touched on essential setup steps, like installing Node.js and creating a personal access token, as well as some cool capabilities of the MCP server. As we sign off, I want to leave you with this thought. How can you see AI enhancing your workflow? If you're a developer, the possibilities are endless. Experiment a bit with Supabase and MCP, and who knows, you might just discover a way to revolutionize your projects. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Unplugged, and until next tea,